Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Ascletis has completed enrollment in its US Phase 2A trial evaluating ASC30, a once-monthly subcutaneous depot formulation of a small molecule GLP-1 receptor agonist. The 12-week randomized double-blind study involves 65 participants who are obese or overweight with comorbidities across 3 dose cohorts. Earlier Phase 1b data demonstrated a 46-day half-life and a consistent peak-to-trough ratio of approximately 1.5 to 1, suggesting a long-acting pharmacokinetic profile. The completion of enrollment marks a key step toward confirming ASC30's potential as a next-generation small molecule GLP-1 option that could simplify treatment schedules and appeal to payers pending full Phase 2 data. Terns Pharmaceuticals has officially exited the obesity drug field after determining its oral GLP-1 candidate, Terns 601, showed an uncompetitive profile in Phase 2. The study revealed only modest placebo-adjusted weight loss at 12 weeks, accompanied by gastrointestinal side effects and several cases of grade 3 liver enzyme elevations. The company has now halted development of Terns 601 and redirected resources toward oncology, prioritizing its menin inhibitor program Terns 701. In China, Innovent Biologics reported that Mazdutide has outperformed semaglutide in the head-to-head Phase 3 DREAMS-3 trial. Conducted in adults with early type 2 diabetes and obesity, the 32-week study enrolled 349 participants. Mazdutide achieved statistical superiority on the composite primary endpoint, combining hemoglobin A1c below 7% with at least 10% body weight loss. Greater mean reductions in both A1c and weight were observed, with gastrointestinal adverse events as the most common side effect. Eli Lilly's oral GLP-1 receptor agonist Orforglipron has achieved 2 additional Phase 3 victories in type 2 diabetes. The ACHIEVE-2 trial compared Orforglipron to dapagliflozin, while ACHIEVE-5 tested it against placebo. Both trials met their primary and key secondary endpoints, demonstrating clinically meaningful reductions in A1c across multiple doses. These outcomes strengthen Lilly's competitive edge in oral incretin-based therapy, complementing its injectable Mounjaro franchise. Hengrui Pharmaceuticals and Kailera Therapeutics announced that full Phase 3 data for HRS-9531, a dual GLP-1 and GIP agonist, will be presented at the 2025 ObesityWeek conference. The once-weekly therapy was evaluated in the Gemini-1 trial in China. Earlier top-line findings suggested category-leading weight loss potential, though exact figures remain undisclosed. In South Africa, Aspen Pharmacare confirmed regulatory approval of a new weight loss product by Sapra and highlighted the availability of the Mounjaro Quick Pen Injector for type 2 diabetes management. The company's update signals an expansion in weekly pre-filled injectable treatments across the region. Broader access to these therapies could facilitate earlier obesity intervention and scalable chronic disease management in clinical practice. Eccogene has filed for an initial public offering in Hong Kong, spotlighting its partnership with AstraZeneca on the oral GLP-1 compound ECC5004. Under the deal, AstraZeneca obtained ex-China rights for $185 million in upfront and milestone payments. Ongoing global Phase 2 programs and a China bridging Phase 1 trial aim to validate its clinical performance. Proceeds from the IPO will support further development of Eccogene's cardiometabolic pipeline, positioning ECC5004 as a convenient, orally dosed GLP-1 agent. Finally, Kailera Therapeutics has secured $600 million in Series B financing, led by Bain Capital and other institutional investors. The funds will advance global phase 3 trials of KAI9531, an injectable dual GLP-1 and GIP agonist, across obesity populations with and without type 2 diabetes and those with body mass index above 35. The raise reinforces investor confidence in next-generation incretin combinations as the cornerstone of future metabolic disease treatment. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.